Assalamualaikum friends, I hope you're quite well and join my telegram channel Sheri official. I will provide every notification of video first here, and today I have two different size 50 music Facebook banner. These files are in PSD for Photoshop CC plus and CS plus user. You see here, and here is different. You can post in Instagram. Okay, so you see here music blast, live music concert. Wow, simply drag to Photoshop, and you see here layer area. First is the text folder, second free registration, URL, discount, and here is brush, image, import your image. Okay, for example, double click here and our image are here. Select here. I think I have no image about music related or wow, like this. So, okay, and drag there. No, Control S, and you see our banner is ready. Write anything here about your music related. Okay, now, and same thing is here. Just import your photo, write anything. For example, I write my channel name Sheri SK. You write your anything or your music channel or your music production etc if you like. Okay, replace your image, click here and double click here, open your image, right, drag there, press shift, Control S for saving, and you see our photo is here. Write anything. Okay, click here. For image, here is layer, unlock and click on FX, apply any current and overlay like this, or change color. I know you can do. Here is red, black, you see. Okay, cancel. No, here is 50 and here is 50. That's mean total 100 templates. Same file is here. Go to drag to Photoshop, replace your image. We need music like this. Drag here, Control S, and you see, write anything here. Your banner is ready. Okay, I hope these banners are useful for you. Kindly subscribe my telegram channel Sheri official here. Take care, Allah Hafiz.